said cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Daddy, cheese. Cheese. Daddy. No, something. That is Thursday. Yes, that's Sunday.
Is that right? Really?
That's him.
Okay. Are you gonna cook for us tonight?
No,
No, you're not gonna cook for us?
that's the good.
Daddy's gonna cook? Okay. Where's Harry?
That's the style.
You don't know?
That's good. This heavy. Look, it's this game. Abby's good. Yeah, Abby. Abby, that's.
Is Harry your boyfriend? Is he your boyfriend? Is Harry your boyfriend? Do you give him kisses?
No.
No? Do you give him hugs? Do you give Harry hugs and kisses? Huh?